Hi and welcome to this week's Special Mentions Assembly, and this is the last YouTube Special Mentions Assembly before we go back to school next week, and we cannot wait to see you. So just before I get started with Special Mentions, making sure that you have gone on YouTube or gone on the school website and checked out the video that tells you all about coming back, and there's also a letter gone out to parents. It's on the website. It's gone via Marvellous Me, it's gone via Tapestry, and it tells your parents about all the things that you need to do to make sure that we all keep each other safe when we return to school on Monday the 8th of March. It's all very similar to what you did between September and December, so nothing scary, nothing to worry about, and we cannot wait to welcome you all back. Okay, so let's get going with who has got a special mention this week. Okay, so the first special mentions are from Miss Gibbs. The first one is for Lily. You are so good at arts and crafts. I love the crab that you made using a paper plate. For Ascaris for making brilliant telescope to spy pirates from afar, and to Charlotte for making the best pirate hat with help from Mum and Dad. Then this is from Miss Ellis for Maggie May, Ruben, Cy, Jake, Joey and Millie. In English this week, year 6 shone bright like a diamond, Cy's words, not mine, as we've been learning about similes, metaphors and personification. They even wrote a story with all of these and their 10 spelling words. How impressive. Another one from Miss Ellis for everyone. To everyone who took part in the World Book Day activities, it's been lovely to see you reading at home with your family members and taking part in the World Book Day quiz. This is for Bea, Olivia, Nita, David, Kyla, Florence, Charlie and Charlie, and this is from Mr. Howsam and Miss Mason. Thank you and well done for your amazing home learning and for coming to our live lessons and quizzes this week. Your focus, hard work and positive attitudes have amazed us both, and we are so proud of you. This is for Mrs. Loter and Mrs. Charlesworth and all the staff from Casey May. Thank you for all your hard work during lockdown. I really enjoyed playing Hangman on Zoom, and see you, and I can't wait until Monday to be back in school. Casey May, we can't wait either. These next few are from Miss Taylor. First one's for Heidi. Heidi has been a kind, supportive talk partner in our bubble this week. Avril has quietly and conscientiously got on with all of her work. And to Deacon, Deacon has shown focus and determination in maths and English all week. Well done, Deacon. And then we've got the last one from Mum and Nana for Lily Joy, saying for getting on with her schoolwork and for also your part in the Grayson's Art Club competition, becoming a very clever and bright young lady. Me and Nana ask is that you do your best in everything you do in life and you won't go wrong. That is some great advice. Do your best in life, absolutely. And the final well done is from me, and it is a massive thank you and well done to our entire school community. So that is the people who worked in catering, they're keeping our building clean, it's to our teachers, our members of support staff, it's to you as parents, you as children, people who are caring in the community, for looking after each other during this time, for working hard, for collecting home learning packs, for cooking meals, whatever it may be that has been your part in looking after everybody during this third lockdown. I really appreciate it, and I cannot wait to see you back on Monday, the 8th of March, for a safe return to school and to really show total focus, gold standard, so we can make sure that we get the best for and the best from everyone in our learning community. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye.